Hi, it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this morning we have got this 2017 Yamaha MT09. It is fitted with this Yamaha Acro full system with the baffle out. So particularly these models have got a really snatchy throttle as standard, so it's been in for a full ECU Remap. So we're going to do the final run now and then we'll talk for everything that we've achieved. So this morning when we did the base run we had 110 brake horsepower, which is the red line. Not fueling particularly bad, just as this model would run with this setup on this exhaust. What you tend to do is get a really rich spot around between 2 and 4,000 RPM. And then it just richens up through the mid-range and top end. So what we've done is we've sorted that fueling out. Another thing with the MT09 is we get rid of the top speed limiter and the ETV, the electronic throttle valve restrictions. So you see there, it just revs out past 10,000 revs. Now it goes to 11,500.
Is that safe?
Yeah, that is what it's set to by Yamaha. We don't extend that rev limiter because it's not making any power. So that's what it's set to. It's just the restriction in the throttle in 4th, 5th and 6th gear.
Right.
So we get rid of all that, and obviously you can see there with the graphs overlapped how much different it is. So yeah, we've done that. We've mapped the ignition, de-restricted the ignition, made the ignition all smooth and just make it pick up a lot better, a lot smoother, and then sorted the low down running. Like these models have tend to got a surge between 50 and 80 mile an hour. So we've sorted the fueling out around that, just ironed that out, and made the throttle really smooth low down. So yeah, should be a whole lot better, feels a whole lot better anyway. So yeah, if you want yours, please give us a call.
Cool, thank you.